What are you doing with this old beat up thing?
Well, we got a CZ125 that with a downpipe. Downpipes get hit and smashed if you case a jump or something. So you can see the bottom, this is all flattened out. So we're welding up the cracks. We're going to apply a lot of heat in this area till it's red hot, and then we're going to put some pressurized air in it.
Try and blow that thing up?
Pop it out.
All right, let's
Help
see
the performance a little bit.
Let's see if it works.
I finished doing a little welding first.
All right, Paulie, I got you covered.
Good man, Jimmy.
Don't burn yourself up.
Say no to crack.
Fill them up.
First you got to get a little puddle going. These pipes are old and full of oil, so you never get the cleanest weld you'd like. But I think we got the crack. Okay, we got the rosebud tip. We're going to start heating all the dented area. We're going to get it red hot. It's going to get a little smoky in here. Try not to heat up our gauge too much. This is the lowest spot right here. Start giving it a little air, Dave. Keep going.
Don't nobody blow anything up.
A little bit on this side, Dave, and we're good. Okay, hit it.
I can't.
Okay. We got a tiki torch going. It's about 60% better. Got a couple cracks to weld up. Okay, on your mark, get set, go. Okay, we got the CZ pipe. Most of the dent blown out, probably 75–80% of it, so power will be better. We welded up all the cracks that it had. We sanded it a little bit and cleaned it up. Now we're going to put a high heat paint on it before we put it back on the bike. We repacked the silencer so it'll be nice and quiet for the neighbors. And we're going to go at it with a little bit of nice satin flattish black high heat. Make it look all pretty. Put it on nice, and then we can put it on the bike. Makes it dry way faster. You can see it's already starting to turn more satin. So we got the CZ125. These are rare, very rare bikes. This is a 73 125. Behind it with the red tank is the CZ250. That's a real clean, original vintage racer. Very popular. But this is super rare. Now we got the pipe all done, got it painted. You can see most of the dent is out of it, and we're going to be ready to ship this off so it can go to the races this weekend at the Rain VMX Masters of Momentum. And this is Cowboy Dave CZ. He's in the 70 plus expert class. This is a real hot rod CZ for vintage racing. Runs real good. Reed valve, electronic ignition. Now that bike's going to be competing against our old Suzuki TM we just finished up. So we're going to have a big class. I'm going to be riding a Mako with a Honda motor. So you guys got to get out there and come race with us. Oh, look who strolled in here.
Hey!
Time to ride the CZ.
Hey!
British Mark.
Nice. Look at this, man.
Come on in.
That's great.
How's it look?
Oh, it looks phenomenal.
That was pretty bad, huh?
So how How challenging was it to get the cracks out?
It was
We got
pretty
some-
smoky.
Was it?
Yeah, we inhaled a lot of two-stroke smoke today.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
It wasn't the best.
And then this was flat as a pancake.
It
so
was flat
How,
and-
how did you?
You're gonna hole shot.
I'm in a whole shot. I absolutely am. But how was it? How was challenging was it to get the the flatness
It-
out
it
and
was-
pipe back to?
Little welding, little heat, little everything.
Right.
Yep.
Looks clean.
Yeah, got a good paint job on
Nice
it.
paint job. Very nice.
We're ready-
Yeah,
we're
can't
ready
wait
to
to
roll.
to ride this weekend and win the class.
Ooh,
There we go.
there's the challenge.
That's the goal.
There's the challenge.
Very nice. Great
All right.
job. Yeah, thanks, Paul.
See you at Glen Helen for the scrambles, vintage scrambles. Step up.